Welcome back to Voltiman. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to design a solar system, juggling panel specs, battery sizes, and inverter compatibility, I've got the solution for you today. We're exploring Victron Energy's Click and Design tool, a professional-grade platform that lets you visually build and validate your entire off-grid or hybrid system before you buy a single part. And the best part? It's completely free. I'll walk you through a real project, a 400-volt battery energy storage system in Netherlands, showing you how to go from a blank screen to a fully planned system in just 10 clear steps. Let's dive in. Step 1. System Basics. Start by naming your project and setting your location. This affects solar yield estimates. Choose your inverter. Here, we're using multi-RS solar. Step 2. Grid connection. Define your AC input, grid type, phase, and current limit. We're using a 32 amps three-phase grid connection for each individual phase. Step 3. Priority loads. These are backed up by the battery. Enter yearly consumption, ours is 16,700 kilowatt-hour, and set load profiles. This determines inverter and battery sizing. Step 4. Non-priority loads. These run only when the grid is up. Ours use 2,000 kilowatt-hour per year. Separating loads optimizes cost and performance. Step 5. Solar array. Add panels and charge controllers. We have 15 by 215 watts panels and 3 multi-RS solar inverters, plus a PV distributor for safety. Step 6. PV voltage analysis. Here's where it gets technical. The tool checks voltage and current across temperatures, ensuring your array stays within inverter limits. Ours is 18% undersized. Fine for efficiency or future expansion. Step 7. Battery setup. We chose 10 kilowatt-hour lithium at 48 volts with a 20% minimum charge to extend battery life. Step 8. Monitoring. Pick a monitoring device. We chose Cerbo GX for remote access via Victron's VRM portal. Step 9. Results and performance summary. Now for the payoff. The tool generates a full system summary. A monthly production chart showing over 3,000 kilowatt-hour per year, peaking in summer. An energy flow breakdown. Direct use, battery charging, and grid feedback. A final component list and energy balance, proving our design meets the load with solar and storage. Everything is visualized, calculated, and validated, all in one dashboard. This tool is a game changer for planning, but always consult an installer before you build. It turns complexity into clarity. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, hit like, subscribe, and the bell for more solar insights on Voltiman. Thanks for watching. See you next time.